Hello everyone, today we're looking at a powerhouse cleaning solution built for modern homes, the NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. If you're searching for a premium, intelligent, fully automated cleaning system that handles everything from deep vacuuming to hot water mop washing and automatic dust disposal, this upgraded model is designed to deliver exactly that. The Freo Z10 Ultra stands out with its 18,000 PA suction power, giving it the strength to lift embedded dirt from carpets, crevices, and high-traffic areas effortlessly. Unlike typical robot vacuums, this one uses a dual RGB camera system paired with advanced AI chips, allowing it to navigate your home with extremely precise obstacle recognition. It avoids cables, toys, shoes, and unexpected clutter with confidence, meaning far fewer interruptions and a far smoother cleaning cycle. Where the Z10 Ultra really shines is its 8N corner-to-edge deep cleaning technology. This mechanism increases downward pressure so the mop pads and vacuum head can reach tight corners and edges that most robot vacuums usually miss. Add the dry-wet separation and hot water mop washing, and you get a robot that not only cleans your floors but also cleans itself thoroughly after each cycle. The self-emptying system is another major convenience factor. It automatically sucks debris from the robot into the base station, giving you up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning depending on usage. And with its Zero-Tangle design, the brush structure helps prevent hair wrapping, which is a big win for homes with pets or long-haired family members. This all-in-one system manages vacuuming, mopping, washing, drying, refilling, and emptying without you lifting a finger. Combined with smart app control, customized mapping, and precision avoidance, the Freo Z10 Ultra brings you a truly autonomous cleaning experience. If you want a robot vacuum built for deep cleaning performance and maximum convenience, this upgraded NARWAL Freo Z10 Ultra is one of the strongest choices in today's market. Make sure to check it out using the link below. Don't forget to like, buy through the link, and subscribe for more product breakdowns.